find them all, show me. Show me all those candies. Who left you those?
Santa.
Santa.
Santa is a good guy.
Yeah, because he leaves the candy.
But Santa on this boot.
Yeah, on the stocking?
Yeah.
So did you hear Santa Claus last night?
He was a little bit quiet and a little bit loud.
Oh, it was a little bit quiet and a little bit loud? Well, did you get to hear any of it?
Yeah, but I want to eat these candies first and then open this present.
Okay, that sounds good. Say Merry Christmas.
But this is one for you, and this is one for Daddy,
Oh,
and
you're
this
going to
is
share
one
your
for
candy?
me.
Thank you so much.
I'm
Okay.
going to share with all of you.
Oh, thank you.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Can you blow me a kiss? Blow me a kiss.
Oh.
Thank you. Can you blow